How to fix your blog images in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix your images into the blog post. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what I'm going to do next is going to be very simple. I'm going to head over the Shopify blog posts, which are going to be situated right here, and within the content we're going to open up a full menu. Now this full menu, we're going to select blog posts. Now on this we're going basically to select the blog post that we have the problem with the images on. So basically I'm going to be here. Depending on the problem or the issue with the image, we can be having here some options. If we do have a problem with the central, or let's precise a little bit, the alignment of the image, we can go ahead and select the whole image and click on the alignment. We can make it to the middle, to the left, or to the right. If you're going to put it to the left, you're going to give it a space within the text. But maybe this is going to be an issue for you. So what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to put the alignment of the image to the middle. That was very clever of the editor. So let's say that you want to put it at the left side without integrating the text. I'm going to have to click on enter to give it a little bit of space. You're going to see that it is going to be having the image not set up within the text, and this is going to be good. So now basically what we're going to do is going to be very simple. So I'm going to have in this place the image modified, or let's say set up. I can go ahead and head over the content. So we need to remember only the image, or delete it. Head over the content, head over files. I'm going to save the thing right there, and we're going to head over the files. This is the image. I'm going to open it. Now we can go ahead, either resize, draw on the image, crop and transform the image if you want. And if we want to do more things within this image, we can go ahead and download it just like that. We can go ahead and download the image if we do not have it on our browser, and we can go ahead and modify it within image editors like Photoshop, Adobe, let's say Illustrator, or whatever, Canva. Also we can do that, and then we can go ahead and reinsert the image within the same blog post by here. So I'm going to have it, let's say that this is the modified image like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.